Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, click and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type Magic Fluids and download free version of Magic Fluids app, this one. Then choose Open and click on those three dots, those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then select Settings, click I accept in this pop-up and adjust your wallpaper in those wallpaper settings, however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply it on home screen only, so I will go with home screen over here. And now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!